Our beautiful Bullspot Race bag is a structured, luxurious handbag with a handle drop of 17 centimeters, width of 31 centimeters, height of 25 centimeters, and a depth of 12 centimeters. This bag is beautiful in ostrich leather, but comes standard in full-grain, top-quality bovine leather in a variety of colors. It can also be made with game skin and leather trimmings. Different blocks give a unique look to your personalized bag. We use top quality fittings and YKK zips, mock suede for the lining. The bag closes on top with a zip as well as a flap with magnetic closure. On the inside you will find a zip pocket as well as two slip pockets. The bag is divided in two with a zipped compartment. It is spacious on the inside with ample of room for a tablet, phone, big wallet, water, a makeup bag, glasses, and much more. For comfort and added style, this bag is finished off with soft, round shoulder straps. To get yourself this beautiful bag, act now by following the links in the description below or simply click on our logo.